Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks using the kit Fondness for Music, option B, from my Truth Universally Acknowledged collection that just came out the first week of January. So if you'd like to see how I transform my page from this into something else, then go ahead and stay tuned to the next part of this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this kit as well as a few other things, but I'm going to show you what this kit looks like first. So it says, what do you recommend to encourage affection, dancing, even if one's partner is barely tolerable. So this is Elizabeth's line to Mr. Darcy in one of the first few segments of that movie when they first met. And this is Lizzie and this is Mr. Darcy. And then you have a bunch of script stickers at the bottom, some teardrop stickers there, very functional. And then on the next page you have Fondness for Music, page 1, and this is the date cover up, your strip sticker, and then here on the checklist you have the violin once again, some notes here for your dots, and then you have label stickers and then decos down here. So let's show you the other things that I'm going to use. I'm also going to be using some pens, and these are the pens that I usually use for my Hobonichi. You have seen this before. This is the Coiled. This is the Tombow brush pen, and then trusty old Micron, Pigma Micron in 02. Is it focusing? Okay, no, it's not. Pigma Micron 02. And then quite recently, I started using the Papermate Flare. This is the pen felt tip one. In my Hobonichi cousin, when I used this, it did not bleed. So I'm hoping that it would not bleed on here as well. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to take this date cover-up sticker, and then I am going to put that on the dates. So we are planning for the week of the 7th up until the 13th of January. Happy New Year to everyone, by the way. I hope you had a great New Year celebration. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this long strip sticker, and I am going to just place it onto here, right next to the date cover up. Because I want space. I want this space showing right now. I think it'll go well with the kit because there is a lot of like a cream paper like color, I guess, like old paper parchment color. I think parchment is the color of, or the name of that color. So I'm taking this checklist sticker and I'm gonna put it down here. So this, by the way, is a Mega Weeks Strawberry Latte Mega Weeks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down my bottom stickers. This is the left one. Usually this has an overlay so that you can use this to write stuff on here, but this time I took it out so that I can put this coat here because I don't want to put it over her face because I love this right bottom bar. I'm gonna put it here. Some precision needed right there. And there you go. So this is what our page looks like, and you can actually just write or use your pen to write and leave it at that. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the other stuff, such as this script sticker. So I'm gonna put the weekend down right away, and then I'm gonna put to do and today up at the top, the space at the top. So I'm gonna put today here. I wonder what that means. And then just below the second week, I'm gonna put to do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my ruler, and then I'm gonna line all these And then I will be right back. No, line this page using this ruler and my Pigma Micron 02. And there you go. So this is the page line, and I really like lining my pages. I did that in the last week as well. Did I have a plan with me? I think I filmed it. I'm not sure when that's gonna go up and this is gonna go up, if that's gonna go up in YouTube, or maybe just my Facebook, which if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on there. Well, not follow. Is it follow? Well, like my page. My page is paperjoyph, and join my Facebook group. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this page. So Friday is the big day because this is when class will start. So that's probably going to need all of this space right here. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up using my Pigma Micron, and then we'll work from there. So I know that this is going to be a pretty happening day. So this day is the start of classes, and I'm going to go ahead and put down this label sticker as well as the deco sticker. So I'm going to put this deco sticker down here, and then I'm going to put this on top of that. So I layered it. There you go, and I can just write it down later using my Tombow. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my trackers. So what I have been tracking last week is vitamins, diet, fruits, exercise, skincare. That's about it. Should I do that? Yeah. So this one. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is gonna write down that looks good. So what I did here is that I made a grid, and then I'm gonna write down the days of the week. For example, this one is, I'm gonna use this instead, a Papermate flare. Alright. And now what we're going to do is I'm gonna put down goals and notes. I'm gonna put goals at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm gonna put notes here. Oh no, here. I should have, did not. Okay, hang on. Oh, yes. Yes. Alright, get in there. Alright, so this is what we did right here. We put goals down here and then notes up there. I mean, I did. And then, so what I have now is I have a horizontal on the left page. So my horizontal is date-based, and then you have your checklist. So I have my individual to-dos for each day. Anything that's happening on each day is going to go here. I have my goals here. Friday is a special day, so that is where this went. So anything that's happening or that happened on that day, I can write down here. So this, I'm not going to write down anything here until Friday happens. So like a little memory keeping section for Friday. And then I have a vertical on here. So maybe I can write down anything else that I needed to do. I have trackers up here as well as very important trackers, skincare, because skincare is very important, especially for, people who are not very young like me. So now I'm going to put down this. I'm going to put it down here. Ta-da. Oh, by the way, this is going to be for next week, just in case there's anything for next week. Actually, this is cute. Oh, honey, I should have put it here for the weekend. Let's see if this will peel up. I don't think it will. I'm scared. Usually nothing happens on my weekend anyways. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write down the numbers. So there you go. Now, I still have a few stickers here, which I am going to use. I have a a lunch date on this day. Cannot wait. So I'm seeing all my friends again, and then I'm gonna put down my dots. Put down my dots. Actually, what you can do here also on this section is to write down priorities, which is what I'm doing now. Like top 3, or if you're tracking something big, like health stuff, like or moods, feelings. It's like a mini journal, but here I'm using it as a mini list. So that is all you need. And then I'm gonna put down one goal, and then hang on, I'm gonna write down targets. So a goal and several targets. By the way, this page is my home as well as other work planner. This is not my shop planner. So I should have 3 targets. I can only fit 2. So I guess now I have 2 targets. Oh, I should have put it here. That's what I was going to do. Oh, never mind. Okay, and then I'm going to put this down somewhere. I don't know. I guess I'll put it on Wednesday. Yeah. Wednesday is the start of enrollment. Okay. And then that's what we're going to do. And then I still have 3 here. 3 dots. I'm going to put it one on Monday, another on Thursday, and another on Friday. Okay. And then I have teardrops left. Gonna put one on each day. Oh, yeah. This is not necessary, but I feel like I want to do it now because I could also save it for a day or as the days go on. But I like to just put it down. And this is our page done. Completely done. Hang on. No, one last thing. Could be more artistic, but it's not. Alright, so Friday is the first day of class, and I just wrote it down there, and we are actually really done. So this is my empties. That is page 1. This is the other page, and this is what our page looks like, and I'm very happy with it. It is super nice. Whew! And that is all that we have for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow us in our social media. That is paperjoyph for both Instagram and Facebook. Join our Facebook group as well. That is Paperjoy Planning World. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye-bye! Oops! Okay, let's try that again. Bye-bye!